Welcome to Smart Academy. We are giving problems on physics topics and physics concepts for all physics entrances. So today we are discussing one problem about light chapter. It is this is a one question we have here. A beam of light is partially reflected and partially refracted from a surface. The angle between a reflected and refracted light ray is 90 degrees. So if the angle of refraction is 40 degree, if the angle of refraction is 40 degree, the angle of incidence how much? So here in this question we have the information. See, one is reflected, refraction, angle of incidence. These are the terminologies there. So this is a surface. So this is the normal. See, a beam of light falls on the surface with an angle of incidence I. A beam of light partially reflected and partially refracted from a surface. So this is the reflection light ray. Reflection. See, one more is refraction light ray is there here. This is a refraction. So you take a reflection capital R, refraction small r. See here, a beam of light is partially reflected and partially refracted from the surface. The angle between reflected and refracted light ray is. See, this is the angle between reflected. This is reflected. This is refracted. The angle between these two rays 90 degree. So the angle of reflection is, if the angle of reflection is this much 40 degree, so the angle of incidence will be, here take it out, take the incidence angle is equal to reflected angle, that is equal to I. So this is a reflection rays property. So we have for this solution. Before going to discussion, please subscribe my channel Smart Academy. Smart Academy for more videos. Okay, we have the now discussion here. If you take, this is refraction angle, this is a reflected angle, that is equal to incidence angle. Then the angle between reflected and refracted is 90. So this total is equal to 180 degree, because that is equal to refraction angle plus the angle between these two rays, reflected and refraction, that is equal to 90 degree, plus angle of incidence I equal to 180. Okay, from this relation R equal to 40, substitute here 90 plus angle of incidence 180, angle of incidence equal to 180 minus 130. So we get 50 degree. So the angle of incidence equal to 50 degrees. So this is equal to 50, here also 50. So like this is the answer here. So the light ray falls on the surface, some partially is reflected, partially refracted. Then the angle between reflected and refracted is 90, the angle of reflection is 40. Then we are calculated angle of incidence, that is equal to 50. So here we got the answer, angle of incidence equal to 50 degrees. So this type of every problem on every concept we will discuss in this YouTube channel. Mainly we are focusing on problems and solutions. So today I discussed a problem on light chapter. So like that we will discuss some more problems and with solutions in this YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.